Stop wasting time on scheduling calls and start automating your appointment booking process with Retell. Let's dive right into building your very own appointment setter in Retell, the voice AI platform that truly transforms how conversations are made. First, you will need to sign up for a Retell account. You can go through the basic sign-up process and have your account set up in no time. Now, to get started, create a new bot. Choose a bot name that you can relate to your business, like Appointment Setter Bot, for easy identification later. From here, click on the plus icon to start your flow. Here, you will determine the flow of the conversation. First, set up your initial greeting. This is where the bot will introduce itself and ask about the appointment. Then, you can introduce how to navigate the bot by using the prompts available from Retell. Now, to gather information, use the actions to gather the necessary caller information like name, email, and the needed service. Next, establish when a good time to book an appointment is based on the caller's availability and your scheduling calendar. Use the action blocks to set the date and time. This is the action where you can set up the calendar. Follow the prompt on connecting to your calendar, be it Google or Outlook. This is where the bot will schedule the appointment for which the details were obtained in the gathering of information actions. Once everything is set, you want to make it smooth and seamless with the confirmation. Customize it using the user's info. This will keep the bot from sounding automated. Finish by sending the confirmation message that includes appointment details and a calendar invite. Lastly, activate your new appointment setter and prepare to watch your workflow become easier. Your new automated appointment setter is now live, streamlining your scheduling, improving client interaction, and boosting your productivity. #appointment setter #automation.